Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 23 Easy Street in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So we previously had a video of this house. This is the full completed update. You can see all the landscaping here, these beautiful plants in the walkway. Here you have the custom deck. Now we'll take a look inside. So you've got this super large area of your living room and kitchen. Got a ceiling fan right there. This really pretty vinyl flooring throughout. Here, I'll stand over here so that way you can get a gauge on how large this living room is. This living room comes equipped with a cable jack, as well as both the bedrooms. Here you can see out the front window for your deck and your lawn there. This is the kitchen here. We have Whirlpool appliances for all of the appliances here. They also come with a warranty through the manufacturer. This is your refrigerator, freezer on the left side, and refrigerator on the right side. To the right of that, you have tons of cabinetry space here. Perfect place to put snacks or spices or what have you. I'd also like to point out that these cabinets have a slow closing mechanism where they don't slam shut if you close them. We also give you a fire extinguisher there. This is your dishwasher. Here you have this really pretty subway tile backsplash. It's got that kind of baby blue robin's egg color. Here are your 2 windows right as you're at the sink. Got 2 sinks here, and there's an extendable nozzle head. This is your microwave here. And that is right above your stove oven combination. Got 4 burners on the top. Your oven here. And then on the bottom, there is also a heating tray. These cabinets also have adjustable shelving in them. This right here is your mudroom. You can put a side-by-side washer and dryer in here. That's your back door right there. And you've also got plenty of cabinetry space here. These cabinets are just as, if not a bit more deep than the cabinets in the kitchen. So very easily fit a ton of linens or sheets or what have you. Take a look at the back door. And here is your electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular home, so it's 100 amps and everything is already labeled in there for you. Right here is your thermostat. This house comes with central air conditioning and forced hot air. This is your first bathroom. You've got these really pretty lights above the mirror and the sink here. You also have a medicine cabinet right above the toilet. This is the shower. It is a one-piece fiberglass shower. And this one has a tub. The other bathroom, which we'll see in a moment, has the shower. That is just a shower, not a tub. This is the first bedroom and the larger of the two. Right here you have your closet. There is a wire rack installed here, and that's your whole house shutoff valve there. These are two screen doors, which you can replace the glass doors on the Anderson storm doors if you choose to do so. And that is your data plate. That has all the information about the home. Here you can see out the window here. Now we'll take a look at the bathroom. Turn the lights on here. You've got a bit more space underneath the sink here as compared to the other bathroom. And this is your shower. It's got sliding glass doors here. And you can see that's also one-piece fiberglass, and this one has 2 seats in it. Behind this door here, we have the water heater. This is a 40-gallon tank. You can see the different flooring that we have in this house. And right here is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning. The one thing that I really like about this AirQuest furnace is that you have this super easy to replace filter up top. So you just pull that down, slide that out, and put a new filter in. This is the second bedroom. Right here you can see the cable jack. There's also one in the other bedroom. And this is your closet here. This also comes with a wire rack included. Now if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff Redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.